Hey guys, Steven here back with another video, and today I'm going to show you a quick walkthrough of the app Clubhouse. It's become increasingly popular over the past year because a lot of entrepreneurs, a lot of celebrities are on the app, and it's invite only. So I'm going to basically break down the invite process, how you can get an invite, and how you can send invites, and how the app works. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, and also comment down your Instagram because I am going to give out 4 invites. If you get chosen, I'm going to DM you on Instagram, so make sure to comment below. And yeah, with that being said, let's get straight into it. So first things first, you want to download the app. When you first get the app and you don't have an invite, they actually won't let you log into an account. Because this is an invite only app, in order for you to make an account, you need to get an invite from a person who currently has an account. But what you will be able to do if you download the app is you're going to be able to claim your username. So I actually didn't have an invite for a long time, but I was able to claim the username Steven Van, which is my name. And I was able to hold onto that until someone invited me. So if you go on my profile right now, you can see that on November 13th, I joined Clubhouse. Basically on that date, Chris Lawrence, the person who had the invite, invited me and I accepted. And I was able to keep the username Steven Van. And basically with Clubhouse, everything is connected with your phone number. So you basically make the account with your phone number. You send invites to people in your contacts through their phone number. It also syncs with your Twitter as well. So if you start on the app and you press on the notification right here, this activity section, the people you follow on Twitter are going to appear here, as well as your contacts, maybe even Instagram. I'm not 100% sure on that. So you'll actually notice in my activity section, more and more people are joining this app, basically meaning more people are getting invites. Because the way that Clubhouse works is you start with 5 invites, you invite 5 different people, each of those 5 people who join Clubhouse now have 5 invites, and so on and so forth. So it's a network effect. So Clubhouse is going to be very big very soon. To actually edit your bio and stuff like that, you just want to tap on the top right where your profile picture is. And you don't actually want to press on the settings section right here. This doesn't really do anything. You actually want to tap on just like the empty space where your bio is. You're able to edit it. Same thing with your profile picture. So you just tap on the profile picture and then tap on the profile picture again. I wish they made this a little more clear because it was actually hard for me to do this at the start. And how the feed works or like the timeline works, you can see there's a bunch of different chat rooms. Clubhouse is an audio only app. So you're basically joining chat rooms that are audio only. So right now in this particular room, you can see there's different sections of people. So the people on the top row are people speaking. And that little green icon are for people who moderate. So they're able to like kick people out of the rooms. They're able to add people to the rooms, change the room name, stuff like that. Next is the people followed by the speakers. So this is almost like mutual friends of the speakers. And the rest are just other people. So only the top row is speaking and the rest of the people are listening. And if you press the hand icon in the bottom right, basically this is you asking to join the call. And this is if you want to talk in the room. Otherwise, you're just going to be listening. So the people who end up on this home section part of your feed are only people that you follow. So you want to make sure you follow a lot of people starting off, or this home section will be pretty much empty. So you can see at the bottom, I scrolled all the way to the bottom. It says to see more rooms, follow more people, or start a room of your own. So right now, I don't think there's an option to just view a bunch of different rooms. So what this actually does is it encourages you to network and connect with people, to have more opportunities to speak to different people and have access to different rooms. If you do want to find other rooms from people that you don't follow, you can press the search icon right here and you can find conversations about different interests you may have. And basically this will just show you different people that you can follow, not necessarily rooms. And you can also search up usernames to follow. So for example, I searched up Elon Musk the other day and you can see his profile picture right there. Another thing you can do to find more rooms is you can join a club. So clubs are basically groups of people who start different rooms under that club name. So right here, I have an always creating community. This is my club and has 56 members. So whenever I start a room under this club, everyone in this club gets notified and people can basically create calls in rooms under this club. If you guys want to join, I'm going to leave a link in the description so you guys can connect with me and other people in this club. And the great thing about having clubs and joining clubs is if you press on this calendar icon, there's basically scheduled room calls from different clubs. So you can see at 5 p.m., there's going to be a room called Welcome to Women in Art and Entertainment. And this is going to be hosted by this club. And so if you follow a new club, it'll actually appear here. And you can set notifications to follow the speakers so that you get notified when the room starts. So right here, you can see the clubs that I'm in. So if I press on plus room, for like the always creating community, basically people from that group can join me. When it actually comes to creating events for a club, you can click on the calendar icon and you can press on the top right and you can create an event. It actually doesn't have to be with the club. You don't have to be associated to a club. You can actually just create one yourself. So let's just say YouTube. You can press on host club and you can select a club that you want to host this room with. And basically, once you do this, it'll actually just appear here for other people, which is a great way to inform people when you have something coming up. And the last thing you can do is you can press on settings and set interest. And this will just help Clubhouse determine an algorithm for you so they can show what rooms to recommend to you based off your interests. If you're interested in making your own club, you actually can do it within the app. I'm actually going to leave a link in the description in case any of you want to make a club, because I actually had to search this out myself. You have to fill in this form and it has to get approved first. So it took me a few days to actually get this up, but there's no way to actually create a club within the app. But yeah, that's about it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hopefully this helped you out. If you guys do have any questions, make sure to leave it in the comment section and I'll make sure to answer. And yeah, with that being said, my name's Steven and I'll see you in the next one.